Welcome to your doom. Shut it and get over here. Massive uppercut!
Hello and welcome to another edition of the JabJab Show. Today I'm sat here on the floor. Here I am, sat on the floor, so it's another retro game video that I'm going to be playing. And today's game, it comes about, it's kind of a request from David who plays retro games Bally Birdsall. Hello out there, David. I'll put his link down below. Check his channel out, it's really good and so on. So he uploaded a video on a game a while back. I commented on it and so on, and he said, "Oh, why don't you play it?" Because it's been something like that anyway. It's been a long time since I played the game. This game today is Tapper for the ZX Spectrum. Here it is in its box and everything. It came out originally on the arcades in 1983. You can see it's made by Sega. This version, Sega on the Spectrum. Yes, that's right. Okay, yeah, they're the arcade winners. So the winner arcades or something. I don't know. So yeah, I'll say the arcade came out in 1983. Bally Midway, there you go. This version for the Spectrum came out in 84. I'll go into more detail of the game and so on in the gameplay videos. So yeah, it's a bit taped up and so on. I don't know if this tape actually works, so I've not had much luck anyway with these tapes lately. So yeah, it's very fun, very simple yet kind of difficult. As it goes on, very frenetic fun and whatever. So let's play the game. Alright, so here we are with the emulator and the laptop. Basically, I had to go over twice, loading from side A, then I turned over to side B, see if it loaded, same thing. And I thought, okay, I'm going to have a look, see if it loads in 48K mode. It didn't. It just did exactly the same thing. So I don't know what's happening, because I know the Spectrum works. So some games are working, some games are not. So here we are in the emulator and one thing. But I've been given suggestions on how to get around certain things. I will endeavour to do so in the near future, because it is kind of annoying that these games aren't working properly. Not just the Spectrum, in general. I will be looking into more options, but for now we've got the emulator in front of me here. Fuse, there probably are other emulators, you might have a different one you prefer. Anyhow, I'm using this one, so let's open. And there's Tapper. So it does its quick loading thing for some reason. There we go. It's a little nice bleepy music going on. So you can see, what's going on there. We'll press enter. Can I press enter? No. So here we go. This is the screen. You see skill easy. Let's keep it on easy for this one. Yeah, start. We're not playing start yet. We got a skill level. Let's keep it as it is. Also keys. Now I'm going to define my keys, because I'm sat to one side as I am. I don't usually use these keys, but for the purpose of this, the hold, which is done okay. My usual keys are, because I'm left-handed, I usually have Q8OPZ. I know a lot of people who are right-handed use Q8OPM. That's fine, but I use that one usually. Anyhow, so let's press start. And I guess I put this in. Nope. There we go. And there we go. So here we go. I am a barman and I've got to serve beer to customers. See, I'm on the right there. And there we are. Press fire to quench their thirst. There's another guy there. Believe it or not, that's a person. Right, what I've also got to do is I've got to collect temperatures. There's one. She's going to be furious she can't drive. Get a drink. Lovely stuff. So there we go. I've got level 2 now. Come on. So it gets a bit fast and frenetic. I'm okay at the moment. So not only have you got to collect throw in beers, I don't know if it's actual beer in this version. It might be just I don't know, some. Ah, no! Crash! That crashed. So this is an unusual setup for a pub, you know, but it's a bit of creative license, making it more fun, I'm guessing. Now, I have played this on the arcade many moons ago. But to be honest, wait, collect the empties. I'm gonna miss one. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Lovely stuff. Ah! No! Well, there we go. Press any key. I don't know how many lives I get. The music is as it is. It's when David plays Retro Games Badly uploaded it. I've completely forgot the music was like this. You know, you can hear the sound as it should be. Ah, missed that one. So there we go. And there we go. Right, what am I doing? Pepsi. So I'm guessing it's Pepsi and not beer. Right, I don't know what I'm doing here. What's happening? Right. Okay. I don't know. That one? Did I win? Well done. Oh, I won. Okay, lovely stuff. So I'm at looks like a garden fair or something. Some outdoor kind of action. I don't know if that's... Ah! What's happening? So the as you can see, I'm just serving people on trestle tables or something. Wallpaper pasting tables. So it's yeah, I don't know. Oh bugger, got these. Let's have a look. See if we can do this. Lovely stuff. Oh, yep, got me. Okay, I don't know how many lives. Like I say, I don't know how many lives I've got. I don't think you'll get a game like this nowadays. This is the 80s where you had just like films as well. Like you got films like Mannequin, Weekends at Bernie's, stuff like that'll never get commissioned nowadays. It's just so far out there. You can probably question, you know, what they were. Oh, you can probably question the decision making back in them days about like what would make a good game or a film. But this was the days of like you had kind of limited graphics and all the rest of it, you know. So it's the ideas behind the games that kind of came up with it. Now, I'm not getting in a debate whether certain movements in the modern day video games the modern video games, you know, going in the direction you personally want them. It's not. Oh, game over. Yay, look at that top score, 10,950 quid. Alright, let's have another go because it's fun. So it's obviously remembered my keys from last time. Let's bugger. I'm pressing. Thing is, my hand must have been on the mouse mat and it makes the screen inactive. So I can't do much more about that. So I'll have to use a mouse to kind of like make the screen active. Now I don't got a lot of pubs, but I got a general idea, and you don't serve beer like this in pubs. So I mean, creative license, it just makes for a fun game, you know. I got a little victory dance set. So yeah, you have to let's get the right amount of beer. I'm guessing it's Pepsi. I'm spitting Judging by the sponsor on the bonus level, is it? Oh, all these empties. What's everyone else doing with them? Are they keeping them? I did go through a phase of when. Oh no, crashed. Smash. See if I can beat my world record of 10,000, whatever it was. 10,950 points. So you got the kind of thing you can score like that. I always refer it to as the Pac-Man scroll, as in you can do that. Because I'm Pac-Man. Look at that, lovely stuff. Getting furious, these people, aren't they? None of them are paying. No. Ah, got it. Right. Gets a bit fast and frenetic, this thing. Oh, there we go, got it. Look at them all. Hundreds of them now. What's going on here? Ah, there you go, lovely. And... ah, come on, bugger. Get your beer. Ah, you can't do it. Well, you could have done, but, you know. It's getting a bit fast and furious, this one. Imagine this in first person. Would this even work as a first person game? I don't know, maybe someone out there has done it. I'm not aware of it. So, yeah, it's one of them games. You just, yeah. Oh well. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. So there we go. That's them two, and that should be it. Collect these. There's a little victory dance there. Lovely stuff. Alright, I don't get this. He keeps shaking up the cans. Watch closely. I am doing. So I'm watching closely. I think it's this one again. I don't know. Yeah, I'm guessing it's the one that hasn't been shook up. I didn't really know what was happening before. What did I do now? Oh, I can actually do that, look at that. I didn't, that's smart left and right. Ah, there's tons of them here. Ah, got me. I don't know you could do left and right. Well, then again, it makes sense because actually define the keys with left and right. Just what is up and down. So that adds a whole thing to it. More strategy or something. I don't know. Maybe it's actually collecting empties. Ah, no! I'm getting cramp in my feet here. Right, I think my screen's gone a bit weird. There you go. Go away. And it's ferociously. If it didn't do that rotating thing like the Pac-Man thing, I probably would have been alright then. But obviously it flicked over to the bottom. There we go. Equaled my record. Equaled my record there. Well, there we go. Did I? No, I didn't. 1,000 more. So I'm getting better. The progress is. Is that out of focus or not? Oh, that's annoying. I thought it always been out of focus. Anyway, so let's tap her, and it's music. So yeah, back to me in studio. Does it play out? No, it just goes round in a circle. Alright, see you in a bit. Okay, so that was a Tapper for the ZX Spectrum via, yet again, the emulator and ROM. Yeah, as I said in the gameplay part, I've had suggestions of how to do things better and what methods to use and so forth. So I will look into them for future videos and stuff. Also, I'm looking into production things as well to improve, my videos and so on. So I've got a few things in my mind, for future videos to help just give a better video out, like better things and all the rest of it. So, but that's for future things, future videos and that. So yeah, Tapper on the Spectrum. I've got a list here. It was available for many other ports, including Atari 2600, the 8-bit Atari, the ColecoVision, Commodore 64, MSX, Amstrad CPC 464, BBC Micro, and IBM PC. So it's a popular game back in the day. You can tell gameplay wise. I really like this game. Really pick up and play. Short bursts of playability. Gets a bit frantic quite quickly, which is like an arcade game back in the day. It's like what you would. It's very simple to pick up and difficult to master kind of thing, which is like what right on my street. As I said, it's not really a game that's been done before or since, specifically with how you do things in terms of beer. The game mechanics I've seen in other games where I think Back to the Future on the NES. I played that fairly recently for a challenge video. There's a couple of levels on that which kind of reminded me of how you play Tapper, the whole kind of mechanics of the whole thing. I don't know if Tapper was the first game to use to have a gameplay like it does. I don't know, but either way, I really like the game and it's really fun. And the Spectrum one, I like the music at the start, very bleepy and what have you, which you kind of like. Initially, I had to turn the volume down on the first take I did, or before I started rolling the camera, because it is a bit too loud. The in-game music's a little, kind of minimalist, and I'm not a fan of it, but it is what it is. It doesn't detract at all from the gameplay or anything, so it's really good fun. Yeah, so that's my view on the game. I've not played it for a while until tonight. So yeah, my fun questions for you are: what are your memories of this game? Where did you play it and so forth? And what's your favourite port if you've played more than two ports? I've only played the arcade on the Spectrum. I don't remember playing the Amstrad or any other version. I might have back in the day. I can't remember playing them versions. Yeah. So what are your favourite games? Retro games that involve like drinks or as power-ups or something, or of alcohol, Pepsi, whatever they are. Is any favourite games? What's your favourite game like involving that? I'm not saying when you're playing the game drunk. I'm just saying what the in-game kind of drinks. Like for instance, I think Abe's Odyssey, Oddworld I should say. I think that has some kind of weird potion-ish. There's also Two Cool Dudes where I think it's a spiritual sequel to the Dragon Ninja. I can't remember, but either way, on that game, throw cards at each other. It's a lot of fun. But you can also beat up a vending machine to get on all the cola. I don't know if it's actual Coke or Pepsi or what, but you beat up the thing, getting cans to get a power ups, which is fun. That kind of thing. So you just let me know all down there in the comment section down there, your comments and all the rest of it, and also Facebook, Twitter, whichever way. I don't know. I'll put the things anyway. Just hit me up, as I used to say nowadays. Drop me a line, request a video perhaps. Either way, just let me know down below your comments and stuff. Much appreciated. And if you like this kind of thing, like, subscribe, and comment, and tell your friends and everything. And in the words of the new Cyrus, send the word.
Swamp, 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 swamp.